Introducing SparkMaker Full HD, the most affordable 1080p SLA 3D printer. Featuring better printing quality, faster printing speed, and larger building volume. And the most important thing is that we keep the Full HD version affordable, as always. Our approach to making affordable 3D printers has been proven in our first Kickstarter campaign. Now, we are back with the second generation of SparkMaker with 1080p high resolution. Thanks to the 1080p LCD screen, SparkMaker Full HD can achieve a resolution of 57 micrometers in XY axes and 25 micrometers in the Z axes, giving you more flexibility and freedom for jewelry, dental, or prototype designs. SparkMaker Full HD keeps the SD card slot so that you can easily print offline. To make printing more convenient, we developed an app to control the printer through your smartphone. Simply select the STL file in the app, and you can start printing wirelessly right away. We are also launching 4 additional types of resin, so you can have more options for your printings. It has been a great journey since we first launched on Kickstarter last year. We have met many very experienced 3D print fans and grew together. We appreciate all the help you guys bring us. Now, it is time to start a new journey, and let's make SparkMaker FHD together.